I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, appointed by God, Creator of the world, has appointed me as a Mother of the world and given the excellent noble duties for saving these beautiful worlds. Every day God is invite us some spiritual souls at his home and teaches us excellent lessons for benefit of entire all living beings living in seven beautiful world. Today, Amrut Vela, in the morning, God teaches us the excellent lessons and give us to convey this beautiful message for benefit of all living beings in the world and pleasureful life for all living beings living in seven beautiful world. So this lesson is as under: what are the God's next plans? What God wants now from his lovely creations at present? First, we will see what are the God's next plans. God has sent excellent his messengers and saints for establishing many religious systems in this seven beautiful world when needed and required. God has also sent religious reformers and renovators in these seven beautiful worlds. They all have done excellent their works for pleasureful lives of all living beings in seven beautiful worlds. But human beings are such creations, those have broken all rules and regulations of God and nature from starting of all creations and seven beautiful worlds too. So God will reforms and renovate all religions practices from time to time. But human beings have continued broken all rules and regulations of God and nature, natural laws, so that God has ultimate make some plans. Those are as under: God wants to establish his own religion of love. Name of this religion will be love. Second, in this love religion, God will love all his creations, and God also wants to be loved from all his all creations. Third, all creations must love each other as a lovely members of this lovely global family. Fourth, all creations must live on the basis at live and let live all equally. Fifth, nobody will allow to kill others. Sixth, all have to provide all chances equally for full development in spirituality and materialistic. Seventh, God will justify all living beings equally without any discriminations. 8. God will see only pure and enlightened hearts and gifts to such people only. 9th, God will see only good acts of people, no matter their any religious faith or not any faiths too. 10th, now God wants to unification all humanity under one umbrella of divine love. God is teaching now real spirituality for enlighten every single heart and all souls of human bodies. 12. Now God wants to be known by all his creations. 13. God wants to meet all his creations in their hearts. 14. God wants to stop all outer and physical religion practices and want to teach real spirituality of inside souls related purifying enlightening practices to all interested and eager people. Direct God wants to teach them. God wants to give pleasureful, happy lives to all living beings in 7 beautiful worlds. 16. God will give punishment to those people will not follow such guidance and rules and regulations of God. Now, second part of this message is now God wants from his lovely creations as at present are as under. First, God wants to follow his religion of love by all his creations. Second, God wants to be known as a parent and creator of all his beautiful creations. Third, God wants to be loved by his all creations. Fourth, God wants from his all creations that all creations must love each other without any discriminations. All human beings now learn and follow inner spiritual practices for getting enlightenment and stop outer and physical religion practices. God will give justification and justice to all creations sent at paradise for happy lives. Those have done noble works in their lives. God will punish to those people who had done bad works with all living beings and sent them in unhappy world, Jahannam, Nar. God wishes from his creations must live unitedly as excellent global family members and give love, peace, supports to each other. This God wants from his beautiful creations. Now I am praying to all people of the world, please send your excellent experience to me on my WhatsApp number and your noble ideas, noble thoughts, noble knowledge, noble techniques, those which are with you. Please send me on my WhatsApp number and my Facebook ID too, so that I will explain your noble experience to all humanity, so that all humanity can be benefited from your noble experiences. I seek your noble experiences on my WhatsApp number and my Facebook ID. My Facebook ID is Swami Vishwa Anand and my WhatsApp number is +919898375375, so that I will spread your experiences in each and every corner of the world, so that humanity will be benefited. You can send me your suggestions too. Now I am praying to Almighty Supreme God, Creator of the world. Oh God, please make your blessing showers, powerful showers and knowledgeful showers on all living beings in the world, so that all living beings can get pleasureful lives and we humanity can come out from the panic coronavirus situation, so that, oh my God, please Make your showers of blessings on all living beings in seven beautiful world. This message I received from House of the God, and just I am conveying this message as a mother of the world and as a servant of God and as a servant of you all. So this message has received from House of the God, but not came my own mind. This message is not my own product, but this message I received from House of the God for benefit of all humanity and pleasureful life to all living beings in seven beautiful world. Now I am again praying to God, oh God, please make all living beings with full of healthy, wealthy and happiness life for everybody. God bless to everybody. Up to next meeting and next message. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.